The building itself plays important role in this projection. It's not a white screen on which I project those three images. It actually, it's a building that metaphorically resembles also somebody who is speaking. There is a long window at the center. When it's lit, it actually looks like an open mouth. Not for everybody, not every time you look at this you have this association, but with hands projected and microphones, this reading of the facade is reinforced. So with the help of those three images, the building becomes a powerful, monumental speaker.